Whistle aligners. Stunning smiles, incredible results. Today we'll be reviewing a well-finished case treated with whistle aligners. 26-month aligner treatment corrected severe crowding and proclination using planned and refinement aligners successfully. Pre-treatment records showed severe upper crowding, blocked premolars, lingually tilted lower premolar, and proclination. OPG revealed missing lower premolar, impacted third molars, healthy periodontal support, and normal dentition. Digital treatment planning included arch expansion, decrowding, leveling, and alignment correction in both arches. Segmental canine retraction and controlled retraction were planned for upper and lower right quadrants, and bite blocks were planned. Staged elastics, optimized attachments, and day 1 bonded buttons supported efficient biomechanical tooth movement. 2-month progress showed canine movement, lower decrowding, excellent aligner fit, and strong elastic compliance. 5-month progress showed significant canine retraction, improved alignment, effective elastic wear, and excellent tracking. 10-month progress showed canine retraction, arch expansion, decrowding, and effective finishing with elastics mechanics. 15-month progress showed major alignment improvement, settling occlusion, minor refinements, and continued elastic protocols. 18-month progress revealed dramatic transformation, with minor refinements and settling remaining before final finishing. Final results showed excellent alignment, improved aesthetics, facial enhancement, despite minor relapse from misplaced aligners. Post-treatment photographs showed improved smile arc, broader arch form, and enhanced overall facial balance. Treatment achieved a softer profile and significantly enhanced overall smile aesthetics and facial harmony. Occlusion evolved from severe crowding and interferences to temporary open bite, progressive settling, and stable final results through effective biomechanics, accurate treatment planning, and excellent patient compliance throughout the orthodontic journey. Successful smile transformation resulted from biomechanics, digital planning, compliance, refinements, and strong interdisciplinary teamwork. Whistle aligners, driven by research, backed by technology, trusted for results.